So we've looked at paragraph matching questions and that question that's asked you to match paraphrase statements to a source from the text. Now let's look at the third and last type of matching question. This is the hardest type of matching question. With this type of matching question, you also get paraphrase statements of information from the text, but the purpose of the text is to decide whether these paraphrase statements apply to or are related to a set of categories in a box. You need to answer for each statement, and you can use the categories more than once. So, why is this question type hard? Well, there are two reasons. First, as you saw in the example, you need to match information twice. You need to match the information in the statements to information in the text. And then you need to match each of the paraphrase statements to a small number of categories, or decide if in fact the statement relates to both categories or to neither category. The second reason this question type is hard is that you will not know if the statements that are given to you are in the same order as the text, or if they are out of order. The only way you can work this out is by looking for keywords in the paraphrase statements and scanning through the text to find these. In our example, which comes from paragraphs 10 to 13, you'll find the statements are out of order. So what you need to do is read through each paraphrase carefully. Stop after each related sentence in the text. Do they match any of the statements? Are they paraphrases? Let's try with the first paragraph in this section, paragraph 10. Okay, so we read paragraph 10. What is the main idea of this paragraph? It discusses the ethical relationship between scientists and consumers, as well as consumers' fears around DNA technology and other scientific developments changing the nature of food. Does this paraphrase have the same meaning as any of the statements? Yes, question 14, where we have anxiety for fear and scientific development for DNA technology. And we have altering for transforming, and also the nature of familiar food products for agricultural plants and animals. Now we need to match this to a category. Paragraph 10 is talking about consumers and their fears and ethical concerns about the use of technology in food. So we can see that the category is B, consumers. Now go to the next screen and try the rest of the questions by yourself.